Balloon dragonfly tutorial. Leave a tail of 6 fingers width. Start by making a 2-finger double bubble. Next, make a 2-finger single bubble followed by a 5-finger loop bubble. Twist a 2-finger single bubble. Make another double ear twist. Wrap around double loop knot. Then, attach a 4-finger single bubble to the starting double bubble knot. Next, create a 2-finger pinch twist and a 5-finger loop twist. Wrap a 2-finger single bubble around the double ear twist first. Adjust the shape of the balloon. Finally, draw the eyes and the little dragonfly is complete.